Years ago, we focused on adoption, and I used eMaint's customized reports to literally write reports that focused on adoption type scores. And I started out with average of the 15 locations. We were averaging in the mid 30% for what I scored out as overall adoption rates. And within a year, with my ability to present those dashboards and those reports to our executive team, we were able to finish our phase of adoption in the mid 80s for most of our facilities, which then armed us with the discipline to convert over to the KPIs we're using for this fiscal year, which are more of your traditional result-driven KPIs of what you're now doing with that data. So at most of our Amsted facilities, for example, when we're measuring downtime, we're at 99% uptime in most of our facilities when we're looking at the number of down hours associated with our parent asset counts. Our facilities, in most cases, are at 100% PM completion, and that is being contributed to the fact that most of the PM scheduling and the customization of how we can produce and align our PM schedules to our production with minimal effort, and getting those schedules aligned and being able to basically, when you look at the different fields and the scheduled activities, we determine our own fate, right? So we can put our own days to complete times in, but we're able to schedule out our annual PMs in different months to make sure that we're not bundling up any of those activities and we're not overloading or underwhelming our groups at any given time. That has really helped with our ability to maintain world-class PM completion.